Hey guys, what's going on? Vega here for Serpent Tech, and in this video we're going to be talking about Ravencoin. The halving is upon us. If you've been living underneath a rock, the Ravencoin halving at time of filming says 2 days and 20 hours, but by the time I release this video Monday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you're going to have less than a day to stack as much Ravencoin as possible before the halving takes place. Now that doesn't mean Ravencoin will no longer be mineable, it just means that the block reward will be halved. So in January 2020, at block height 2,100,000, the first halving will take place, and the reward per block will drop from 5,000 to 2,500. This will continue each 2,100,000 blocks until the reward can no longer be halved. Now they do provide some other metrics or information down here, but this is the first halving of Ravencoin. I'm excited for it, and that's going to bring some potential changes. Now, right now, at time of filming, the block height is 2,095,900. The price is at 10 cents, and the market cap is at around 1 billion. That is very small compared to other cryptocurrencies out there. What's going to happen is when the halving actually takes place, we're going to see some adjustments across the board. We may see adjustments in the difficulty. We might see adjustments in the network hash rate as miners leave or come into the game. But then everything's going to adjust accordingly. The difficulty will adjust dependent upon the amount of mining performance or mining hash power we have on the network. But typically, with something like this, it can be a positive indicator. Each time Bitcoin, which is a project we can compare Ravencoin to, every time it had a halving, we saw a increase. Not right at, not during, and not right after, but shortly, sometime after the halving, the cryptocurrency went up. For example, the first halving of Bitcoin took place on November 28, 2012, and the price of Bitcoin at that time was $12.35. Wouldn't that be great? Then, on July 9th, 2016, the price of Bitcoin was at $650. And look at where we're at. And you can see the block reward was cut down from the first time from 50 BTC to 25, and then from 25 to 12.5. And then it cut down again May 11th, 2020, which is was 2 years ago, or roughly two years ago. It was cut down to 6.25 BTC per block reward, and the price of Bitcoin was at $8,821. Now, if you're watching this when it's released, Bitcoin right now is at 41,000. Okay, so 2 years after the halving of Bitcoin, it went from 8,800 to 41,000. That's not, we're not trying to say, I'm not trying to say that Ravencoin will just blow up like Bitcoin. That's not the case. But if Ravencoin's around 10 cents right now and a market cap of 1 billion, if it does get an influx of more market and it goes up to 2 billion, 3 billion, whatever, on top of this happening, we could see a price of 20 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents. It really could be a very positive thing for Ravencoin, and I view this halving as a positive thing. The unfortunate situation right now is with the halving, you're going to make less rewards, but again, as the network kind of adjusts itself, you should see the Ravencoin continue to be one of the most profitable cryptocurrencies to mine, as it has been for quite some time. Ravencoin is one of the few projects, other than Bitcoin, that is proof of work, was fairly launched. There was no sale or fundraiser. It was free, and it's free and it's open source. There's no controlling entity. There was no pre-mine, and the network has been around for 4 years. So there's some longevity and a little bit more reliability and prestige that comes with that. So Ravencoin is a great project. Yeah, so it doesn't have a huge market cap. It doesn't have a lot of institutional investment into it, but it has a lot of great assets, capabilities built in, and I don't think Ravencoin has really fully been utilized or realized its potential quite yet. So, Ravencoin halving coming up. When I'm seeing it, 2 days, 20 hours. When you're seeing it, probably maybe less than a day. So make sure you get some Ravencoin. Make sure you help secure the network and come join us in mining such a wonderful cryptocurrency. Besides that, you all have yourself a wonderful day. Please do me a favor on the way out, hit the like button. Don't forget to get subscribed and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with what's going on with the channel, as well as check out some of the links in the description to help support us and what we do here, like the dojo.com, where you can get some sweet Serpent X merch and much more. You all take care. I'll catch you next one.